Hi friends, I'm so glad you came over to my house to play. Come on in. I'm going to teach you some signs. Don't forget your shoes. All right, let's play. So I have a couple different toys. I have some blocks and some Magna-Tiles and some animals. Which one do you want to do first? Blocks? Okay, blocks. This is how we can sign blocks. Basically, just make it look like a block. It can be a small block or a bigger block, whatever you prefer. Mine are kind of medium size, so block. Let's stack them. Put one on top of the other and stack and see how tall you can make it. Stack. Do you want to learn some colors? Colors? Okay, first we have, what's that color? Is that blue? No, green. That's right, green. And then on top of the green, we have another color. This color is yellow. Yellow. And then on top of yellow, we have what color? Yeah, blue, that's right. And on top of blue, we have red. The color is red. Good job. What else do you want to build? Oh, a house? What if we build the house with the Magna-Tiles, because those stick together? All right, let's dump some of these out. All right, we need some different shapes. Okay. Whoops. What's this shape? You know? A square, that's right. So when we sign shapes, we kind of just draw what we see. So we start in one corner, keep one hand there, and you draw it. So what did I draw? That's right, a square. Looks just like this. Start in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners for a square. All right. We also have another shape. What shape is this? That's right, a triangle. So we gotta draw it. Start at the top. Go 1, 2, 3 for a triangle, just like this. Okay, let's build our house. So we'll use the squares as a nice and sturdy base. That can be a window. And then we'll use the triangles for the roof. Here we have our house. And look, this is how you sign house. The roof and the sides. House. House. Good job. All right, want to learn about some animals? All right. This is a farm animal. What is this called? That's right. This is a cow. Cow. Just like that. Here's another one from the farm. Remember what this is? This is a sheep. Almost kind of like you're shearing the wool. Sheep. Do you see this animal at the farm? No, this one's at the zoo. That's right. This is an elephant. Elephant. Oh, this is an animal that you might find at somebody's house or see at the park. This is a dog. It's almost like you're patting your leg and snapping for the dogs to come inside. Dog. You want to play something else? All right, but first we kind of have a mess. Let's clean up, okay? Thanks for your help. Come on, let's go find something else to play with. How about we play with the kitchen? Come on in. You have to be somewhat thirsty or hungry after all this play. Can I get you a coffee? Coffee? No, you don't drink coffee. Oh, tea? You like tea? Some kids do. Oh, you just want a water? Okay, I'll get you some. I like water too. Cheers. Oh, you want a snack now? I love snacks. Let's see what we have in the fridge. We do have some healthy stuff. So let's look at that first. We have have strawberries. Strawberries. Or we have grapes. Let's do this. Grapes. Grapes. You want one? Here you go. I do. Delicious. Oh, these are my favorite. And I like the sign just as much. All you do is peel, banana, peel, peel, banana. Want a banana? Everybody likes this. Pizza. Love pizza. And, oh, this is another treat that everybody likes. What's that? Ice cream. And the sign is similar. It's just like you're eating an ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to offer you these drinks. I also have milk, or we have some pop. Pop. So milk or pop. But you have to ask your mom or dad first. Let's see. Some pop. Here you go. How about we go outside and burn off some of this energy? Come on. I forgot, it's a mess. We gotta clean up. Help me, ready? Whew. Thank you, let's go. It's perfect out. It's perfect. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Come on, let's go. Whew. Want to go down the slide? All right. Ah! Woo-hoo! Yay! Do you like to swing? Swing? Okay, come on. Let's see how high we can go. Woo! I dare you to jump. Not too high. Oh man. All right, do you want to play? Look, we have some different sports here. Ready? We could do basketball. This sign's cool too. It's just basketball, basketball. Or we have, football, football, football. Let's see. This one's baseball. Just like you hold the bat. Baseball, baseball. This one, you know what this is called? That one's called golf. Golf. You know what this goes to? Hockey. It's just like you would go like this, and your sign's like this. Hockey. Hockey. All right. Thanks for coming to my house to play. But it's time for me to go. I'll see you later. Hope you come back again soon. Bye.